We're going to take a little walk around Morningside Nature Center because we've been in the house all day and we ain't trying to see people, but we're going outside. I'm vlogging today. As you can see, traffic is pretty light on this Saturday, the week after quarantine or social distancing, whatever, was initiated.
I believe it's day 6 of quarantine, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Light for Atlanta, I should say. See, there's people out. It's not like people are completely inside. People are going on walks and stuff.
At least we're getting quarantined when the weather's nice out.
Yeah. Oh, there's quite a few people here. I've never been here. Does it just go up along those power lines?
I have no idea. Guess we'll see.
Park behind this Kia. Yeah. Going down. Meet me at the trail. It's going down. Everywhere you meet me, guaranteed it's going down. Oh, I guess we could have gone up that way.
Yeah.
Check out those sexy shoes. Who'd you get the shoes from?
You guys?
No.
Where? Who?
No, who'd you get it from?
Ruskin.
Ruskin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Came in clutch.
Some boardwalk and stairs coming up here. We found this little creek in the Nature Preserve Park, and then we also found a chair here. So I'm gonna take a seat here. People are not smiling or acknowledging as you pass them on the trail, which is to be expected, I guess, in these times. But, you know, we're in Georgia. You should expect a little bit of Southern hospitality, so I'm a little disappointed. Shirley says Southern hospitality is not a thing right now. It's on suspension. There's like 3 ways to go right now. We just got across the bridge, and you know, it's just like when they give you so many options, it's just like, what do we do? You know, because we want to explore all of them. So I don't know. No. Let's go through the prairie over here. This is the prairie.
This one looks more sketch than the other two.
What?
I think so.
No. This is the, oh, okay, yeah, let's just go back. Let's go through the hammock. The hammock's over here, and then the woods are over here. Yes. Hashtag nature. We found a treehouse in the woods over here.
Oh, that is so cool. Oh,
Alright.
private property.
Yeah,
There it
okay, yeah, oh man, they got a great lookout.
is. That is so cool.
Very cool.
I don't know what those are. Aren't honeysuckles in like bushes?
I'm not a honeysuckle expert. You want to go sit in it?
Down here safely. Bust my ass. It's tiny. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Actually, it does. In the Philippines, they have a bunch of these right by the beach, but people actually live in them.
They live in them?
Yeah, there's a bunch of these in the Philippines.
Interesting.
It's so cool.
I mean, you could kind of live in this.
It looks better.
Oh, okay. So we got a little lost and We almost went out the wrong exit, so now we have to backtrack like half a mile. And it's getting, maybe half a mile, but you know, it's getting dark, and you know, there's coronas out here, so. What are you making?
Cheesy smothered mushroom chicken.
Nice.
HelloFresh definitely makes it seem like I'm like this excellent cook.
Well, you are an excellent cook. Made a little gin and tonic. Oh man, is the countertop gonna be okay?
Yeah, it's great.
Hello, we're out here on the porch drinking some sake and listening to Diplo and Dylan Francis play their Coronites, right?
No, I think it's Corona.
Or Corona Nights
Fever. Yeah.
Fever. Corona Nights Fever, yes. And you can see right there. So we're listening to that and drinking sake.